Assalamualaikum. Good day and good evening, everybody. I hope fine everywhere are you. I'm fine here in Iskardu and with my family in my house. You see front of me, after you see behind me, everywhere greenery here. Okay, inshallah, after 5 6 days continue rainy days here. These I think coming 5 6 day and last 2 day. We are very happy therefore in Iskardo, sunshine everywhere and full day morning to evening. At this time, corn with growing in our land and wheat close and other white trees, apricot trees, green everywhere, and we day by day apricots uh, growing up in his own place. Alhamdulillah, in these days we are in all Iskardus peoples like wait, some people's wait like to eat apricots here. And I hope inshallah you are everybody like my this video and see front of me sunshine, and this is this area behind me. Alhamdulillah, very good weather and no very hot, no very cold, and everything is very good and fine. Inshallah, I hope everybody my this video like and subscriber with your friend, with your relatives, share WhatsApp and other groups. Thank you. Inshallah, I hope you are all members are fine.